But hey, that's the stock market for you. A roller coaster of emotions and, more importantly, money. It's thrilling, unpredictable, and sometimes downright scary. Here's the deal. Uncertainty makes investors nervous. When the future is unclear, people tend to panic, and that can lead to hasty decisions. When they're nervous, they sell. This can cause stock prices to plummet, creating a ripple effect throughout the market. But guess what? That can create opportunities for those brave enough to buy. When prices are low, savvy investors see potential for future gains. This isn't the time to bury your head in the sand. Ignoring the market won't make the problems go away. It just means you'll miss out on potential opportunities. It's time to get informed, strategize, and maybe even make some moolah. With the right approach, you can navigate these turbulent times and come out ahead. The American market is like that all-star athlete, always in the spotlight, always making headlines. It's a place where dreams are made, fortunes are won and lost, and every day brings a new story. We've got tech giants, energy players, and everything in between. From Silicon Valley innovators to traditional energy titans, the diversity is staggering. Right now, it's a mixed bag. Some sectors are thriving while others are struggling to keep up. The market's mood swings are as unpredictable as ever. Tech's been taking a beating, but some sectors are looking pretty darn good. It's a tale of two markets, one that's hurting and one that's hopeful. My advice? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors to mitigate risk. Look for value stocks, companies with strong fundamentals that are maybe a little undervalued. These hidden gems can offer great returns if you know where to look. And keep an eye on those interest rates. They can make or break the market's mood. Rising rates can cool off a hot market, while lower rates can spur growth. Resilience and continue to offer promising prospects for long-term growth. Section 4. Down Under, Opportunities Abound. G'day from the land of sunshine and opportunity. Australia's got it going on. Natural resources galore, a strong economy, and a market that often marches to the beat of its own drum. Keep an eye on the mining and energy sectors as they're big players down under. And don't forget about the Aussie dollar. Its fluctuations can impact your returns. Section 5. Europe. A time for prudence. Ah, Europe. Rich in history, culture, and let's not forget, economic powerhouses. But things are a little uncertain right now. With the energy crisis and the war in Ukraine, don't shy away from Europe completely, but tread carefully. Look for companies with strong balance sheets and a global reach. And remember, patience is a virtue, especially in volatile times. Section 6. The bottom line. Smart moves for any market. No matter where you're investing, remember the fundamentals. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and don't panic. The market will have its ups and downs, but with a little bit of savvy and a whole lot of information, you can ride the wave to financial success.